Welcome to our discussions. We are looking at a question on diffusion of gases under gas laws. And the question we have reads, 80 centimeter cubic of ammonia gas diffuses across a porous plate in 50 seconds. How long 100 centimeter cubic of nitrogen will take to diffuse across the same plug under similar conditions of temperature and pressure? Remember, when we are talking about rate of diffusion of gases, rate is usually inversely proportional, but when it comes to time becomes directly proportional to the square root of the density of the gas. In this case, the first thing we are going to do, we have been told that 80 centimeter cubic of ammonia takes exactly 50 seconds. We need to calculate 100 centimeter cubic of the same gas will take how many seconds. In this case, we are going to have 100 multiplied by 50, everything divided by 80, and this gives us exactly 62.5 seconds. After getting that, remember we say that the time of ammonia divided by the time of nitrogen, this one will be directly proportional to the square root of the density of ammonia, that is actually the molecular mass of ammonia, divided by the molecular mass of nitrogen gas. You can see time is directly proportional. From there we can substitute. We have calculated the time for 100 centimeter cubic of ammonia, and we have seen it is actually 62.5 divided by the time of nitrogen gas, and this one will be equal to the square root of the density of ammonia. Remember the density of ammonia. Ammonia has 1 nitrogen atom and of course 3 hydrogen atoms, so the molecular mass will be, nitrogen itself has a relative atomic mass of 14. You add hydrogen is 1 times 3, you get 3, giving us 17, divided by that of nitrogen, and of course nitrogen atom has a ram of 14, but we have 2 atoms making them 28. 62.5 divided by x being equal to the square root of 17 divided by 28. From there we proceed and get the correct answer. So if you take 17 divided by 28 and of course get the square root of the answer, we are going to have 62.5 over x being equal to 0.7792. If we divide this over 1, then of course cross multiply, the value of x is going to be equivalent to 62.5 divided by 0.7792, and this one gives us an answer equivalent to 80.21 seconds, and that is the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you have bumped onto the channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.